What's up, YouTube fam? So what we're doing today is my husband went to the Tractor Supply to pick up some food for the rabbits and the chickens, and also some pine shavings, mainly because our feed store is closed. It's a holiday, they're about family, they were closed. We hate getting our feed from Tractor Supply, but it is what it is. So that's what we're taking off the truck now. What are you doing, woman? Uh-oh. Here you go, girls. Here you go. Whoa. I might need to clip some wings for the new year. Shake it down. Awesome. Ooh, y'all ain't got no water. I gotta change the water out. Where is it? All we had was hay yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna sit in there. It cracked. This. Oh, is it cracked? No? That's how it's made? Oh, I was like, oh, this ain't no crack. How much in there?
I don't know, I can't tell. Which one are you supposed to be?
This one. You can see it through here.
Move that my way.
I didn't plug my hose back up because it be getting real cold at night, y'all, and that hose will freeze up. So I just leave it off. It's just simpler and just to leave the faucet dripping a little bit. And if you notice these boots that I was tightening up right here, these are by High C. If you would like to get you some, check my description box. There is a discount code down below, and use the code word that's in there. I believe it's Tommy.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel.
Y'all don't know how excited I am right now to open up this, because I have not been getting eggs. I got 2 eggs here, and I got some back there, y'all. Oh my God. I gotta get something to put them in. Oh, I'm so excited. Move. She knew I was coming to get her. She come and sit on. Girl, y'all ain't gave me eggs in a while. So what I'm gonna do is I want to do a float test. Oh, I got. You have 3 entryways. 4 if you include the front, which I never go through the front where they walk up at. But it's this one here on this side. We got eggs! Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. So when you have the eggs like this right here, how they're laying down, these are freshly laid. So they must have laid these last night. If they were tilted like this, then they're about a week old. But if they're floating up like this, you throw them away. So these are all laying down, and these are all about to get cooked.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you,